with the fat bitch. Running to the gym now, picking up some paint, picking up some bed liner paint to paint the box. And then the regular paint, I'm actually painting the roof, like the actual physical roof. Fixing up all the little loosey-goosey shit like this and that, as you can see. And just doing this whole car, giving it a once over. Also fixing the cover that's down there, because it's right there. But gonna get it done, gonna get it together, gonna make it look nice, gonna make it mint. And yeah, I know, you see that.
Captain Crazy.
Go! Nervous stretch, how you doing? Tongue out and there. What you doing there, partner?
Hopefully getting rid of the rattle.
Dude, it's definitely this, bro.
It's all of it. It's all of this. I'm gonna start with this.
And then the worst comes too. You're
this one.
Yeah. They call you sound deadener, huh? I guess there's a lot of space in here, dude. Shit.
Yeah.
Look at the size of these, dude, honestly.
That's why I think hits so hard.
Facts. I really haven't seen my trunk, and I don't even know how long. How'd they make this? How'd they fabricate this whole thing? It's pretty nice.
It's really not. It's actually fucking a bomb.
It is.
This piece is smaller than this piece, so they fucking sanded this down to. It's just a fucking. I could do that in 3rd grade.
Yeah. Gugon's gonna be taking all this shit off. How you doing? How we looking over here?
Annoyed that they hacked it up, but
better. Box is clean, baby. Ooh. No trim. A little bit extra residue. Gonna clean this up today, maybe tomorrow. And still some residue, but not bad. What is that? Dang, 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 dang. You hit me in the face, you motherfucker. Just stopped at my dad's other house. Pick up the orbital sander for the roof. Oh. Oh yeah. Here we are with the orbital, with a Bossert, with a Logan. Looking nice there.
yeah, big boinks in the Amish.
What?
Big boinks in the Amish.
Roof is coming along pretty decent actually. Got most of the pitting and the ugliness out.